Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn one more additional feature to maintain the stock in Tally. In earlier video we have learned how to maintain a stock with batch number. In this video we are going to learn the batch number wise stock management with the manufacturing date and expiry date for stock. So there are some products like food, chemicals, medicines, they have the manufacturing date and the expiry dates to be mentioned on the invoice or for the stock management. So Tally has that feature. Now let's learn how to do that. So in earlier video we have followed these steps like how to activate the batch details. So we go to F11 and then inventory features and maintain batch wise details, yes, which we have already done in previous video. So let's see F11 inventory features. Here we have maintain batch wise detail, which we have marked it as a yes. Now there is one more option which says maintain expiry date. So that's just below that. From F11 inventory features we have this set expiry date for batches. We put it as a yes and we accept this screen. We have to create some stock items. To create the stock items we have to go to inventory info, stock items, and then create. So our first stock item name is Vic section 500. Under we will put medicines. Category is nothing, we are just keeping blank, and unit is pieces. Now here maintain stock batch, we put it as a yes. Now manufacturing and expiry also we have to mention it as a yes if you want to track the manufacturing date and expiry date. Then comes the GST detail. Put the HSN number and then integrated tax rate. So we are through with the first item. Let's create the second item. Gross in 500. This also goes under medicine. Cost category not applicable. Unit PCs. And then maintain batch, track expiry, track manufacturing. We put it as a yes. We put the HSN number. In integrated tax 5%. So we have created both the items. Now comes the transaction entry. To enter a purchase transaction, that's the first transaction we have. We go to accounting voucher and then F9 purchase. The date is 1/5/20. We change with the F2 5. Supplier invoice number is 1020. We bought from Sriji Chemist. Now the first item is a Vicks. Go down is a store. So first it's asking the batch number. So we put the new number and the batch number. Quantity is a 50,000. Rate is 2 per piece. There is no discount. Now here we come the manufacturing date. So we have it was manufactured into the 1st January 2020. So we can type 1/1/2020 and expiry date is 21/7/2021. So this is how we should enter our manufacturing and expiry date. Let's see for the second item. Gross in 500. Then the go down is store. Batch number is this particular batch number. We put it as a new number and then apply the batch number. Quantity is 5,000 and rate is 4. Now here comes the manufacturing date again, which is 1/1/2020 and then expiry date 31/12/2021. Items are over. We enter tax details. SGST and CGST. The total amount is same with the tally. So this is how we should post our purchase transaction with batch number, expiry date and manufacturing date. We have one more sample entry. So also on the same date, so we don't need to change the date. Supplier invoice number is 1544. Party is Ekta Medicals. Then we select the item. Go down is shop. Now here is another batch number, so we put the new number and then apply the batch number. Here is quantity 10,000, rate is 2. Now manufacturing date is 1/1/20 and expiry date is a 31/7/21. There's one more item we have in the invoice, that's a crossing. We put the go down. Both the items are over. We enter the tax portion, SGST and then CGST. Our total amount is okay. We accept the screen. So this is how you should enter the purchase entry with the batch number, expiry date and the manufacturing date. Now we have a sample entry for the sales. For sales, we go to F8. We change the date. That's the 2nd of May. To F2. Change the date. We have sold to Tulsi Chemist. Select first item. We select go down. It's a store, and then you see once you select the go down, we have the batch number automatically appearing on the list. So you select and then put the quantity, how much quantity we are selling, at what rate we are selling. Batch number and manufacturing date, expiry dates are coming automatically. Now you select second item, select go down, you have this particular batch number, quantity is 3000. Quantity is 3000, rate is 6. Tax portion, see the amount is okay. Same way you have to enter the another sample entry for the sales. The date is same, so we don't have to change, otherwise change by F2. Party is Paras. The first item, go down is shop. We have this particular batch number in the list. You enter quantity, enter the rate, and manufacturing and expiry date is coming automatically. You put the another item. You select go down. Now the batch number, quantity is 3000, Date is 6. Put text portion. And accept the screen. So this is how you should enter the purchase and sales entries with batch number, manufacturing date and expiry date. Now we see the batch wise stock report, which you have already seen in the earlier video. We see again. So we go to display inventory books and then batch. We come to Tally and go to display inventory books and batch. We select proceed. So here we have both the batch numbers listed down. We select any of them and we can see inward and outward and closing stock for that particular batch. So this is how the batch number wise stock tracking works in